I'm so sorry, ma'am. I know you need this medicine, but it looks like it's not covered by your insurance.
Yeah, unfortunately, I had to deny that one.
Wait, who are you?
I'm your insurance company's pharmacy benefit manager. I get paid based on the price of a medicine, and I don't make as much money off this one.
No one should stand between you and your medicine. Visit phrma.org/middleman to learn more. Paid for by Pharma.
I can't keep this in anymore. I can't even believe I'm saying this, to be honest.
You know you can tell me anything.
I'm capital VFD42, capital Z, lowercase m, underscore, lowercase p, capital L, reverse slash apostrophe, lowercase rs.
I know how you feel. Just between us, I'm underscore, comma, dash, underscore, $, capital G, lowercase w, comma, forward slash, dash, dash, reverse slash.
No way. I am so glad we had this conversation.
I know, me too.
Turn on total privacy with end-to-end encryption. WhatsApp, message privately.
This is Optimal Startup Daily, episode 999. Health Insurance Plans for Small Businesses by Miranda Marquit with GoodFinancialSense.com. And I am Dan, your personal narrator and host here on the show, and I'm with you every single day reading from these great blogs on entrepreneurship that hopefully will help you build and improve your business. And as we approach episode 1000 here at OSD, let's get right to our post as we optimize your life. Health Insurance Plans for Small Business by Miranda Marquit with GoodFinancialSense.com. One of the biggest challenges for small business owners and the self-employed is finding affordable health insurance. Being able to take care of your health is important, and health insurance is a big part of that ability since it can help shield you from big healthcare costs. On top of that, offering health coverage to your employees can be vital in your efforts to recruit top people. By offering health insurance as a benefit, you can improve the quality of your business by attracting competent and productive workers. For small businesses, health insurance can be one of the biggest hurdles or one of the best assets. Unfortunately, navigating the healthcare marketplace can be an overwhelming process. If you're a small business owner, you don't have time to spend hours and hours researching plans and companies. Group health insurance. One of your best options is to look into group health insurance. Group plans use the power of numbers to help keep costs contained. If you purchase health coverage for your employees, you can get group rates, which can be lower than individual rates. It's also possible for the self-employed to take advantage of group rates. Many online aggregators allow families, individuals, and the self-employed to find insurance plans as part of a group. When you are added to the group, you have access to these lower rates. The same concept is true of group health plans for small businesses. If you want to provide this benefit to your employees, you can usually find group rates that will make it a little more affordable for you to provide benefits to your employees. Looking online for health insurance. You can look online for group health insurance. Group rates can be less expensive. When I was looking for health insurance for my family as someone self-employed, I used eHealth Insurance. The site also has options for business group insurance. There are plenty of other aggregate websites that can help you find group plans for your business or help you find insurance as someone who's self-employed. Many insurance companies offer quotes, and you can choose to offer different options that can help your cost. Offering a high deductible plan that is compatible with a health savings account can be one way to reduce your costs. Tax benefits for providing health coverage to employees. Small businesses can benefit from offering health plans to their employees. If you're a small business paying for at least half of your employees' health insurance, you may be eligible for a tax break. That's if you are a business with 10 employees or less who earn average wages of $25,000 annually and phasing out as companies approach 25 employees and an average salary of $50,000 a year. Until 2013, you could receive a tax credit of up to 35% of what your business spends on health insurance. In 2014, the maximum credit for small businesses increased to 50% of what you pay for insurance premiums. Of course, there are tax deductions available for what you pay in insurance premiums as someone who is self-employed. You might also want to look into the options for state tax benefits. Check your state tax code for information about what tax breaks are available, as well as the requirements for qualifying. You should also consider speaking with a trusted tax professional who can help you find out what advantages you have when offering health coverage to your employees. Individual health insurance. One of the simplest options is just let each employee choose their own health insurance plan. They can pick any plan to fit their needs. As the employer, you can help pay a part of the premium and some of the other fees. In this situation, you can help pay the premiums or expenses through a health reimbursement arrangement. Private health exchange. Private health exchanges have become one of the most popular options for a lot of small businesses. They offer a lot of flexibility for both employers and for employees. Think of private exchanges as marketplaces, where your employees can shop for their health insurance and additional insurance benefits. For these exchanges, the employer will go onto the exchange and choose which carriers and benefits they want to offer. The employer also decides how much they want to contribute to the plans. After the employer has created their list of products and options, then the employees can get access to the exchange and decide which ones they want to participate in. Shop Marketplace. One of the byproducts of the Affordable Care Act was the ability for small businesses to buy group plans through the Small Business Health option, SHOP. Each state is required to have SHOP as a part of their health insurance marketplace. Depending on the state, your business must have fewer than 100 or fewer than 50 to purchase a plan through SHOP. Inside of the SHOP marketplace, there are 3 different types of health insurance plans you can provide for your employees. Number 1, employee choice. The employee can pick any of the plans offered on the exchange as long as it meets all of the SHOP benefit requirements. Number 2, employer choice. The employer can select one or more specific plans for their employees. And 3, hybrid choice. The employer can pick a metallic level, and then the employee can pick any of the plans inside of that level. Every small business is different, and your employees may have different needs. There is no one best option which works for every business. You just listened to the post titled Health Insurance Plans for Small Businesses by Miranda Marquit with GoodFinancialSense.com. As an entrepreneur, you know that every hire counts, but that doesn't mean that the time you spend looking for qualified candidates should be a second job. Find top talent fast with Indeed. Indeed is the hiring platform helping over 3 million businesses worldwide to do it all. Don't spend hours on multiple job sites looking for candidates. Over 80% of Indeed employers find quality candidates the moment they sponsor a job. I especially love Indeed's Instant Match feature because candidates you invite to apply through Instant Match are 3 times more likely to apply to your job than candidates who only see it in search, according to US Indeed data. Indeed knows that when you're growing your own business, you have to make every dollar count. That's why with Indeed, you only pay for quality applications that match your must-have job requirements. Visit Indeed.com/startup to start hiring now. Just go to Indeed.com/startup. Indeed.com/startup. Terms and conditions apply. Cost per application pricing not available for everyone. Need to hire? You need Indeed.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. I know you need this medicine, but it looks like it's not covered by your insurance.
Yeah, unfortunately, I had to deny that one.
Wait, who are you?
I'm your insurance company's pharmacy benefit manager. I get paid based on the price of a medicine, and I don't make as much money off this one.
No one should stand between you and your medicine. Visit phrma.org/middleman to learn more. Paid for by Pharma.
And thank you so much to Miranda and the team at Good Financial Sense. The website, Good Financial Sense, was created by Jeff Rose. Jeff is a certified financial planner and the author of the book, Soldier of Finance. He served in the Army National Guard for 9 years and is now a husband and a proud father of 4. In 2011, he founded Alliance Wealth Management and went on to sell that company in 2019. He's now focused on online education. And we are big fans of his work. If you are too, or if you're just interested in learning more, you can find content from Jeff on Forbes, Business Insider, and many others. And of course, come by GoodFinancialSense.com to show your support. And that is Sense spelled C-E-N-T-S for a little play on words. So Jeff has a lot to offer on that site with articles covering making money, managing money, investing, and taxes, as well as specific guides to help you with credit, debt, insurance, your home, and much more. So again, come by goodfinancialsense.com to have access to all that content. And thanks so much to Jeff for letting us share his work. Okay, that's going to do it for episode 999. And please join me again tomorrow where we'll celebrate the 1,000 mark and where your optimal life awaits.